Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and well. In this video, I'm gonna talk about Amazon Dropshipping tool, which is amazing. If you are a beginner in this business, then how you can get started with this tool? Let's go to the video without wasting any time. Before walking ahead, I have a humble request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. Amazon Dropshipping is a business model where you list products on Amazon and sell them without actually owning the inventory or delivering the items to customers. In this business, we don't have to invest thousands of dollars. We can start it with small investment and on low risk. You can find dropshipping products from Walmart, Home Depot, Costco, Overstock, and eBay, and from many other suppliers to sell on Amazon. As we know, Amazon is really big, and after COVID-19, the customers are increasing day by day. So of course, products are more likely to sell fast. Now let's talk about Amazon Dropshipping tool. What is the best online repricer and how it works and how you can use it easily.
Guess what I get? I got a best tool which named as Repricer Hub. Here's the look of their site. Please check out the link in the video description below. Yes, it's my referral link. Please use it if you found this video suitable for you. You will never have to pay any extra penny. There will be same price if you will go with direct link too. But hope you will support me by joining it with my affiliate link. Now let's check how it will help us to do Amazon dropshipping in more easy way. This is the tool overview. The key features which I love in this tool. Direct integration with Amazon. No third-party software is required. Never sell at loss or out of stock with their fast and accurate updates. Integrated competitive BuyBox repricing algorithm. Affordable plans starting at $49. Live support 7 days a week. Click on login. Obviously, I'm not going to show you my personal account. I'm gonna help you with their demo account. I already made a demo account to teach you guys how it works. Okay, now we are logged in here and we can see here are some products without supply information. Like if you have already some items, you can put their supplier links and that's it. Repricer Hub automatically will get the details from supplier side and update on Amazon listing. That is really amazing because it will save your time a lot. Now I'm just gonna show you how you can put supplier in your any Amazon listing here in products tab. Copy Walmart item link and paste it here. I know it's not the same item, but I'm just doing it to show you guys. Okay, now here is setting that you must need to do. Check your profit percentage, your Amazon fees, shipping cost, tax and your selling price, because Repricer Hub will follow the same you put. Under this here, 3 more options, those are highly important. Please must activate them before you save the supplier information. Now click on save. Walmart supply has been added. Now let's check how we can list a new product with their lister tab. Drop it down and click on list a single product. Now I'm gonna use another Walmart item for that. But first of all, we have to find Amazon selling item ASIN number. I'm gonna use this, copy ASIN number. You can find it from the item URL. Or you can also scroll down to product details to check exact one. After that, you have to put supplier information here. Copy Walmart item whole URL and paste it here in the box. Now again I will say check the details here very carefully. Put your suitable price here and don't forget to activate 3 options. Those start from when item is sold, restock the quantity, reprice product in Amazon, and if supplier product goes out of stock, set quantity to 0 in Amazon. Here is one more very interesting option, is add repricing strategy. Let's see how we can make it. Write a strategy name here. I'm gonna put demo account strategy. Now select competition type, BuyBox. Here are some more options, you can also choose from those. Strategy price below will be fine. Okay, now here you can put how much below you can go for. You can put a small figure here. Because of this, I think no one can compete you if you will do some proper research. In case of no competition, use maximum price. When item price goes below minimum, then better to delete this item, but for temporarily we can use maximum price. Please do enable stay at buy box as much as possible. You can do a filter here about seller rating. It's optional and totally depends on you. Put your minimum and maximum profit percentage here. Here are some more terms which you can use. After done, click on save and drop it down to select this. After this, just click on create listing to publish it on Amazon. You are done. Your listing will be created. I'm sorry, I'm using demo account, that's why I can't show you the listing URL or even item. We can also upload items here in bulk. For that you have to upload file here. You can check sample file and put same details to upload. Here you can add your Amazon seller account. And please don't forget to check this option because it's also very important. do enable and that's it. Here is Orders tab where you can check and process your new or existing orders. You can check repricing strategies here with this tab. And you can also check settings template here to fix it during uploading new items to save your time. Here is also variations checker tab. You can put the URL address to check. It's done.
I hope you really like this video. If you have any questions, then please write down in the comment section below. I will try to reply as soon as possible. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the latest uploads from our channel. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet soon in the next video. To take care of yourself and your family. Love.